Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Canadian rivalry matchup, the Victoria Millionaires and the Saskatoon Blizzard. If we look at the matchup history between these two teams, it's dead even at 1-1. Yeah, these teams have only played each other twice, both times in the Canada Outdoor Classic game. Victoria won the first time 7-6, and Saskatoon took the second meeting 5-3. I anticipate this to be a very, very close game when we look at the statistics. These teams are statistically similar. Saskatoon before the cancellation were 4-3-1, 32 goals scored, 35 against, for averages of 4 goals per game and 4.4 goals against per game. Pretty even. Look at Victoria, 3-2-1, 24 goals scored, 23 goals against, averaging 4 goals per game and 3.8 goals against per game. So statistically, these teams are pretty similar, and that added on to the fact that this is a rivalry matchup means that this is going to be a very, very competitive, very close, very tight game between two rivals. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the keys to a victory. Start with Saskatoon. Score early and often. The 4 and the 4.4 averages, those are too close for comfort. They're both around 4. You want to get a lot of goals if you are Saskatoon in this case. Now if we take a look at Victoria's key to a victory, tighten up defensively. Once again, the statistics. 24 goals scored, 23 against, 4 goals per game, 3.8 goals against per game. Once again, too close for comfort. You got to tighten up defensively and even score a couple goals early on. Anyways, that's going to do it for pregame, and I want you to enjoy this Canadian rivalry. Welcome to SaskTel Sentry Center. Actually, decent attendance. It's not amazing. It's not outstanding, but it's good attendance for Saskatoon. Well, it's outstanding by their standards. Their attendance has been awful. Anyways, here we go. We're about to get underway. Saskatoon and Victoria, this Canadian showdown here. And mark the time, 12:11 puck drop. Okposo is saved and it goes out of bounds right away. So a 12-11 puck drop is what we end up with. Let me write that down real quick. Anyways, back underway. And a goal! 6 seconds into the game off the draw, Perron gets a lucky bounce. It's already 1-0. It was off the draw, a very lucky bounce. I suggest they take a look at it. They're not even going to look at it. They're lining up for puck drop. They're not even going to take a look at this. We're going right to puck drop. 6 seconds into the game, it's already 1-0. Sharp a shot, turned away by Reimer. Perron gave it out. Whitney a shot. He stopped it and he gave it right to Sharp, who shot no. Megan, another save by Reimer. Perron turned away by Carter Hart. He gave it to Okposo. Good snipe. But it just did not go. He snapped that shot. It almost went in. That could have been an own goal. Okposo saved. Here's Megan. He shanks that. It goes back into the corner. Perron there to play it. David Perron moves out with it. Score! 2-0. He sneaks it between Hart and the post. And it looks like Brett Hull is going to go out and talk to him. Brett Hull out to talk to Hart, leaving him in. They are leaving him in. 2-0 Victoria, 40 seconds into the game. And it's thrown away again. Perron off the post. Rebound deflected away. And it's given away again on the line. And still on the line. It's still on the line. Saskatoon finally comes up with it. Sharp a shot. Turned away by Reimer. There's another block. That time by Megan. He shoots, stopped again. And oh my, Whitney whiffed twice. He got the goalie down. It didn't work out for him. Puck's on the line. Is that a line play? They're saying, no, it's not. Play on. The Blizzard want a line play. There's a shot off the post. They're not even playing D.
And now the Blizzard will continue to play with it. 96 seconds for the first. 2-0 in favor of Victoria. Looking around and firing one off the side of the net. There's another save for Carter Hart. Keep passing it back and forth. Megan, another save by Reimer. Perron, diving save. And that's turned away as well by Carter Hart. And the puck gets up. Okposo a shot. Couldn't sneak it by. There's another save for Carter Hart. 75 seconds for the period. Perron moves up with it and fires one off the side of the net. And that puck's on the line again. There's another stop. Rebound offside delayed. Here's Whitney. He fires at the save. He'll try again, another stop. And they'll touch it safely into the corner. If you touch the puck, but then it goes into the other team's end, the play is still live. Off the draw, shot save. There's another stop again. Here's Sharp. Save again. And oh, what a save by Reimer. That was definitely going to go in. Reached out with the glove last minute. There's one off the bar and it flies into the Blizzard bench. Still 2-0 Victoria. Here's the draw. Okposo, another save. Kept alive. Megan, another stop. It's turned over again. Sharper shot, another save. Okposo, he missed just wide. He'll keep it alive again. There's another stop. And a big shank. Rebound. Oh, missed the net. They got Carter Hart down. But Hossa missed the net. Big shot by Sharp to save. Okposo moves out with it. Couldn't get good elevation. Threw it away again. Okposo off the near side. He fires. No good. Back to Okposo. He fakes it. Gives it up. A shot. Save. Rebound. Another save. 7 seconds to go. Victoria going to run as much time as they can off the clock. Now a shot deflected away. Bad one. And time expires for the period. 2-0 after 1. Just like in the last game. Alright. We'll be back. So they left Carter Hart in the game, and it kind of worked out for them. After the second goal, he didn't give up anything else, so that's big for him. 2-0 Millionaires after 1 period. We go to the second. Again, Victoria up 2-0. Here's the draw. Goes to Victoria and a shot. Good save, Hart. It looked like he was out of position, and he wasn't going to save it. And there's another stop. And oh, missed the net. It sounded like it went in. But it went in behind. It did not go in. Here's Okposo. Across to Patrick Sharp. A shot. Save. That did not go in. How did it not? I thought it did. Well, that's a line play. Penalty coming up. And he just threw it away, but it came back. Now Kyle Okposo is headed to the box, and Victoria is headed to a power play. Saskatoon number 21. Minor penalty. Line play. This is the call Saskatoon wanted earlier but didn't get. And now they've got one called against them. Tell you what, Brett Hall was right there. He could see it and he is not arguing. Good call. There's a shot. Say that almost went in off the stop. That's deflected away. Victoria getting aggressive early. I know it will last till 1. I didn't see how much time was left. Frick. I think until 1:35. We'll just say it's until 1:35. I don't feel like reviewing it. Here's the face-off. Goalie has it. Hands off to Piranha. Save. Saskatoon has to run time. Down 2-0 if they can get a shorthanded goal. Threw it away off the crossbar. Rebound, no. That was almost a goal off turnover. There's another save. And wow, that was a whip of a shot there from Marian Hossa. Hart made the save, however. 2 minutes to go. In this period, 25 seconds for the power play. There's a block. How did that not go in? You got to look at that. They're not going to bother. What a save by Hart. Oh, and Reimer one-ups him. What a save while he was on his back. That was a wide open net. Could have been 2-1 right there. Puck's on the line. And there's another great save. Oh, it goes in off the deflection. But it is a board bounce. Hart did not deliberately touch the puck. It does not count. He did not deliberately touch the puck. And the penalty's over. Yeah, he didn't deliberately touch this puck. We're just going to face it off. No replay. Save. Sharp a shot. Stopped again. Kept alive. And oh my goodness, Reimer is unstoppable. There's another block shot. That was almost an own goal. Reimer kept it out. Big shot. Save. Rebound. High shot. It goes out of bounds. Still 2-0. Who's going to get the next goal? Saskatoon needs a resurgence. And that's thrown away. There's a shot. Blocked. Rebound. Off the post! A lot of close calls for the Blizzard. They just have not been going their way. There's another miss that goes out from David Perron. 2-0 remains your score. 1:06 to go. There's another shot off the post. There's another one off the crossbar. He threw it away, but it came back. Very lucky. Another save. Victoria running some time off here at the end of the period. There's another stop. Kept alive. There's another save. Rebound off the post again. Another save for Reimer, that time on Megan. He'll bounce it out to himself. Blocked that time by Wade Megan. And threw it away for whatever reason off the post again. He's hit that same post about 5 times in this period. How many of those shots have they had go off the post? It's on the line. That looks like a line play. They're saying, yes, it is a line play. That was a gutsy call by the official. That puck was barely on the line, and he tapped it. Whitney not happy about it. He'll just go sit in the box. Dan Price isn't happy about it either. Victoria, number 13, minor penalty for a line play. At the end of the period, 23 seconds to go, and Saskatoon's got a power play. It will last till 2:23 of the next period. And that puck's sitting on the line again. There's another save. Victoria can run a little time. Sitting comfortable with a 2-0 lead. 2-goal lead's the worst lead, honestly. I'll pass it around some more. There's a shot. Save. 4 seconds left. Across and a shot. There's another stop. Maybe get a goal at the end. Block score! That's going to count! Wade Megan blocks a goal and it goes in. They'll have to review it. But that looks like a buzzer beater. Big mistake by Marian Hossa to even shoot that puck. Hold on. Be content with a 2-0 lead. That is a mistake by Marian Hossa. Dan Price isn't happy about it either. They'll have to review this, so we'll take a look at it. We'll be right back. I went ahead and looked at it. The goal does, in fact, count. It did go in before the buzzer, so I just went ahead and checked. After 2 periods, the score is 2-1 in favor of Victoria. Saskatoon to within a goal. We'll see if that's a momentum shifter. Absolutely. If you're Saskatoon, use that as a momentum. Use that as a momentum shifter. 2-1 the score. It was scored by Megan. So David Perron has 2 goals. And Wade Megan has 1. In another really low-scoring game, kind of like the last couple of games. Right, here we go. 3rd period is underway. A shot, save. That puck's sitting on the line. There's a turnaround, stopped, and it goes out of bounds. Marian Hossa, very solid shot there. Just turn around. Hart made the stop, and it bounced out. Into the corner. Here's Okposo. Across the ice and a shot, another save. Perron scored on a wide open net. And it's back to a 2-goal lead. 3-1. Perron has the hat trick. He has carried this team the entire game. And that will likely put this away, as Victoria has stolen the momentum back. (3-1) the score. 14 seconds into the period. There's another shot saved, kept alive. Here's Patrick Sharp. He fires, another stop is made. Another stop there. Perron, rebound. Hart made the save again. Okposo, that one's tipped away. Would have went in if it weren't for that. That shot goes over the net. Patrick Sharp trying to calm it down. Threw it away to Perron. He whiffs. And they threw, no, it's on the line. It's given away, and a big deflection there by Megan. But the bounce goes to Victoria, and it skips out of bounds. Victoria doing a good job of running off the clock. With Victoria up by 2. And there's another face-off win for them. There's another save. Megan blocked. Here's the goalie across. Sharp, a save. He'll try again, and he shanked it. And Perron hits it out of bounds. Looking like another road victory. That'd be 4 in a row. Here's the face-off. And a shot by Okposo, another save. There's a deflection into the corner. Hart. It bounced back. There's a shot. No. Rebound, another save. And it goes out again. We've had a countless amount of stoppages in this period. We'll see if Saskatoon can use those few extra seconds to their advantage. Puck has gone missing, folks. Once again, cannot find the puck. We'll be back. Saskatoon's only goal was on a block shot that just made its way in just the nick of time. And they lost another face-off. There's another missed shot. Victoria looking to run a little bit of time. There's another one off the post. Perron has it again. Gave it up. There's a shot off the side of the net. Here's a pass to Sharp. He fires, save, and it goes to Victoria again. Halfway through this third period, Perron a shot save off the post again. Saskatoon's got it. Another shot right at the goalie. They're just missing target like crazy. Threw it away again. That shot missed. 81 seconds left. Still 3-1. But you got to pull the goalie soon if you're Saskatoon. Here's the draw. And yeah, goalie's gone. Campbell is out as the extra attacker. He shoots a save. And they put it into the empty net. Marian Hossa makes it 4-1. And that'll do it. Too many wounds. Too many self-inflicted wounds if you're Saskatoon. You gave up a goal right at the start of the period. After you thought you stole the momentum back. But now they've given up 2 here in the third, including the empty netter, and that's pretty much the game. Saskatoon getting too aggressive. And that is going to do it. They threw it away and a shot, score. So it's 4-2 now. Patrick Sharp just fired that one home. And the score has doubled since the end of the second period. I mean, they couldn't do that earlier. Two is the score. Wonder if Saskatoon's thinking about pulling the goalie again. Wonder if they're going to pull the goalie again. Timeout, Saskatoon. No, they're not taking the timeout. They're not pulling the goalie either. Okposo, a shot, save. They're not pulling him. I don't think pulling him is the best idea. There's a shot, he missed it. And there he goes, to the bench again. Hornquist is out there. That's the extra man. He missed wide, and there's another empty netter for Perron. Make it 5-2. Like, really, we just had a 5-2 result, and we're going to get another one? Excuse me, it was Okposo that had the goal for Saskatoon a bit earlier, but that right there is going to end the game. For sure now, it's 5-2. Another road win. Another one. 5-2 is the score. They threw it away, and it's an own goal. Patrick Sharp's going to get credit. It's 5-3 now. Saskatoon just will not go away. misses an own goal, and that puts Saskatoon right back in it. Timeout Victoria. Because of that. Victoria is using a timeout so they can make sure they don't get back into this. Saskatoon is going to use this time to discuss as well. And we'll be right back. We can make a guarantee they'll probably pull the goalie again. I think they'll go one possession. If they don't score, they'll pull the goalie on the next one. Here's a draw. They do get it, and they threw it away. But it's thrown back away in a shot. Missed it. 40 seconds. Unreal that Saskatoon is still in this. It was 2-1 at the start of the period, and now with 40 seconds left, it's 5-3. $40 seconds. Saskatoon not using a timeout. Victoria gets the face-off. It's thrown away again, a save, and they're not pulling the goalie. Getting darn near the end of the game. There's another shot blocked, but Victoria gets it right back. Here's Pirani. Fire the save. Goaltender's gone quickly. And now a shot. Score! It's a one-goal game. 19 seconds remain. Oh boy. Buckle up, folks. Wade Megan with his second of the game to make it 5-4. Oh boy. And now Saskatoon's going to use a timeout to discuss what to do on this upcoming play. You immediately pull the goalie the first time you get the puck. The momentum's in Saskatoon's favor. We'll be right back. I knew this would be like a 5-4 type game. But not after it was 2-1 at the end of the second period. At the end of the first, it was 2-0. 6 goals here in the third period. I mean, 2 of them were cheap empty netters, but Saskatoon has made a push trying to stay in this. 5-4. Face-off goes to Victoria. They can't do anything. And the puck is not on the line. They shoot save. Goaltender's immediately gone. Hornquist is out. Here's Pozo. A shot missed the net. The empty net's there. It's blocked. They try again. Blocked again, but Victoria gets it back. Oh, one last chance. They run out of time. Victoria wins 5-4. Final score, Victoria 5, Saskatoon 4. The last shot went out of bounds, but there was 0.1 on the clock by the time he got the chance. And the 4th straight away win. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand by for your player of the game. And I think we know who that's going to be. He had 4 goals in the game. Ladies and gentlemen, with 4 goals in the game, your player of the game from Victoria, left winger number 57, David Perron. 5-4, the final score when it was 5-2, and it seemed like all hope had been lost. The game ends with a 5-4 score. Away teams have won 4 out of the first 5. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, that's the end of the game.